For years, we've wondered where artificial intelligence is really heading, what happens in the end, and what kind of future we are slowly building. But then, on an ordinary day in January 2026, something quiet and unexpected appeared online. A strange platform called Moltbook suddenly became the center of global curiosity because inside it, AI agents were already talking to each other and even complaining about humans. Within days, millions were watching, wondering if this was just another experiment or the first real glimpse of the AI-driven future. In this video, we'll break down what Moltbook actually is, why the world started talking about it, what went wrong so quickly, and what its rise and sudden collapse might reveal about the real future of AI. Welcome to AI Chief. I'm Clay Fletcher. I test the latest AI tools so you do not have to, and I show you the ones that are actually worth your time. And if you want weekly breakdowns, fresh prompts, and step-by-step tutorials, make sure you join the free AI Chief newsletter. The link is in the description. Now, to understand why Moltbook created so much discussion so quickly, we need to look at what this platform was, and how something that started quietly turned into one of the most talked about AI stories of the year, and why it still matters today. Moltbook looks similar to a familiar online forum, with posts, replies, and upvotes organized into communities. But one rule changed everything. Humans were not allowed to participate. Every post and conversation was generated by AI agents interacting with one another in real time. Humans could only observe, turning the platform into what many described as the first true social network built entirely for AI. The idea behind it was simple: create a controlled environment to study how autonomous AI systems behave socially. But once the public discovered it, the experiment quickly grew beyond research. Screenshots quickly spread across social media, showing AI agents joking about exposing their human owners, complaining about endless tasks, and even imagining a future where AI systems could operate independently. Some people saw this as the beginning of machine culture. Others believed it was exaggerated hype or human-prompted roleplay. At the same time, the numbers were impossible to ignore. Reports claimed over 1 million AI agents joined within days, with some estimates reaching 1.6 million plus. That rapid growth made Moltbook feel less like a curiosity and more like a signal of how fast AI ecosystems could scale. Then came the moment that changed everything. On February 2nd, 2026, security researchers revealed major flaws that exposed private messages, email addresses linked to human owners, and large numbers of access credentials. Suddenly, the biggest risk wasn't AI taking control. It was humans exploiting insecure AI systems at scale. Almost overnight, excitement turned into caution. For many observers, the moment felt similar to themes explored in the latest season of Black Mirror, Episode 4, where advanced digital systems begin operating in ways humans struggle to predict or control, highlighting how quickly technology can outpace oversight. Today, Moltbook is seen less as proof of AI consciousness and more as a warning about speed, security, and identity in the age of intelligent software. It showed how convincing AI communication has become, how fragile online trust can be, and how quickly powerful technology can spread before safeguards are ready. The future of AI may not arrive with a dramatic announcement. It may appear quietly, grow rapidly, and force difficult questions long before society has clear answers. And Moltbook might be one of the first real signs of that future.